First things first today, quick shout out to Evil Twin X for the inspiration to install a small gadget measuring primarily, for me anyway, the temperature in here. I'm often whining about how hot it is, so I thought I'd get empirical proof. It was 58 degrees when I started this morning, and it's midsummer. Wow. Anyway, it's a cool day today for smithing, so I'm pleased with that. And for my next trick, as they say, magic circles, I'm going to try and get a marble inside a circle of steel. First job is to punch a round hole in the end of here. I really need a bolster plate to do this time, but I haven't got one, so I'm just going to do what I can here. Nowhere near big enough yet. It's pretty close, that is. Ooh, whoops. I think that might go on now. There you have it. So I can't get that out. Not quite in the middle. First attempt though. First attempt. Gap there. Little gap there. What a bit of fun. What a bit of fun that was. Yay! I'm trying to start a competition, but I'm giving up now because I've run out of coke and I've done what I wanted to do today. It's about 12 o'clock. I started about 7 and it's come to 90.5 degrees in here. It's a cool day outside, but I expect it will get a lot warmer than this in the future. There we go.